Hi everyone, it's me Larry. I am back with, this time I'm showing you the attachments that came with my Kirby Classic Omega. So, here's what it has. The hose, of course. Then if you open this box, you have your, hard floor tool. You have your upholstery, your, dusting brush, extensions, tubes, and this is a moth crystal later thing. That's what this is. And here's an attachment that makes it scream 70s. The Shag King, or as I call it, the Kirby carpet rake. So there's that. Then of course you got your shampoo system right here. This is to convert that vacuum to a hand vac if you so choose. Then your carpet cleaner attachments. I had to put the belt on there. I have to make this quick because I got something I gotta go do. But anyway, and which reminds me, for personal reasons, I'm taking a break from YouTube. So hopefully I'll be back soon. Don't know when yet. Thanks for watching.